nearly every room in the house has a crack or hole in the wall or ceiling that needs to be patched. Some cracks are just from age. The house was built in the 50s. Some are clearly from water damage, and some we aren't sure what the reason behind them is. But at any rate, patching these various holes and cracks is a first priority. So yep, we're mixing spackling compound. Did I ever mention that Diane wears red shoes? We've been spackling all the rooms, getting them ready to paint. So this ceiling was quite a mess. Diane actually skim coated the whole thing, and careful on that ladder, Diane. Looks like it's pretty close to being ready to be sanded a final time and then painted. This is the kitchen spackling that's happening. This light is going to get replaced, but Diane's been working on this too. She tends to do all the spackling and then I'll do the painting. Kind of divided some of our work that way. So this is looking so much better than it was. It's insane. There were a few areas in the house that I was worried about when we bought it. I was thinking, how are we going to fix that? This ceiling was one of them, but Diane has mad spackling skills. Yes. Woo! The cubby is a small room off of one of the upstairs bedroom. It's essentially a walk-in closet, but clearly it was used as a kid's playroom in the past. We'll sand this. It's getting pretty close to being ready to be painted. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.